When it comes to fishing, your reel can make or break the entire experience. And the best part? Today's reels are lighter, stronger, and more precise than ever. In this video, I will show you the 7 best bait casting reels that deliver serious performance on the water and help you get the most out of every cast. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Piscifun Torrent 2. The Piscifun Torrent 2 stands out with a sleek matte gray design that instantly feels modern and purpose-built. It's lightweight, comfortable in the hand, and easy to fish with all day without fatigue. What makes it even more versatile is the choice between 2 gear ratios, 6.6 to 1 for slower techniques like cranking, and a fast 8.1 to 1 for pitching, flipping, or quickly picking up slack. Whatever your style, this reel adapts. The magnetic brake system includes 8 magnets that deliver smooth, uniform control, dramatically reducing the chances of backlash. Whether you're new to baitcasters or a seasoned pro, it makes casting easier and more predictable. Finally, its powerful carbon fiber drag system pumps out an impressive 20 pounds of stopping power, more than enough for largemouth, pike, and other aggressive fish. It's a reliable, budget-friendly reel that performs far above its price point. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. KastKing Mega Jaws. KastKing takes casting technology to the next level with the Mega Jaws and its Automag dual braking system. The reel automatically adjusts braking force during your cast, preventing backlash while squeezing out every bit of casting distance possible. The LFTV tapered ceramic line guide further reduces friction, giving you noticeably smoother casts. You'll see the difference the moment your lure hits the water. Designed with KastKing's palm-perfect engineering, the reel is only 41 millimeters tall and weighs just 6.7 ounces, making it extremely comfortable to fish all day long. Every component, from aerospace aluminum gears to manganese brass, feels durable and refined. Another standout feature is the color-coded gear ratio system. Each ratio has its own color, so if you swap techniques often, you'll always reach for the right reel instantly. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. KastKing Royale Legend 2. The Royale Legend 2 is a complete redesign of a fan favorite. Its compact body, concealed side cover release, and 7.2-ounce weight make it one of the most comfortable bait casters KastKing has made. Inside, the changes are even more impressive. The double bearing supported pinion gear increases smoothness by 35% under load, while the new structure boosts durability by about 30%. You feel it immediately. Every rotation is buttery smooth. You can pick between a 5.4 to 1 gear ratio for crankbaits or a faster 7.2 to 1 for pitching and burning baits. Whatever you choose, retrieval feels clean and controlled. The stainless steel main shaft, brass gears, ceramic line guide, and CNC aluminum spool work together to deliver reliability you'd normally expect from higher-priced reels. With 17.6 pounds of drag, it has the muscle to handle bigger fish with confidence. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. John Koo. The John Koo reel is built for anglers who want a strong, durable reel that can handle big freshwater and saltwater species without breaking the bank. Its aluminum alloy body and graphite side covers give it long-term durability while keeping the weight manageable. The precision-machined brass gear and advanced brake system provide smooth, quiet retrieval and reliable casting control. Every turn feels consistent, even under heavy load. Ergonomic EVA handles make it comfortable during long days on the water, reducing fatigue as you work your lure or fight a strong fish. It's noticeably comfortable right out of the box. With 13 kilograms, about 28 pounds of drag, this reel packs serious stopping power, ideal for bass, trout, or even larger species. It's a great balance of affordability, durability, and performance. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Abu Garcia Max X Low. Abu Garcia brings its classic reliability to the Max X Low. Weighing just 7.4 ounces thanks to a graphite frame and aluminum spool, it's lightweight but durable enough for daily use. With a 6.4 to 1 gear ratio and a recovery rate of 25 inches of line per turn, it delivers a balanced performance for nearly any lure. It feels smooth, controlled, and responsive. The MagTrax braking system keeps casts consistent and minimizes backlash. Combined with its 5-bearing system, The reel feels clean and refined during every cast and retrieve. A power disc drag system provides up to 15 pounds of drag, perfect for bass and other freshwater targets. For anglers looking for legendary performance without overspending, this is a great pick. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. KastKing Mega Jaws Elite. The Mega Jaws Elite is packed with features designed for serious fishing. Its flipping switch is perfect for techniques that rely on quick line release and instant stopping, giving you precise control during pitching and flipping. With a CNC aluminum frame, carbon side cover, and a weight of only 6.2 ounces, the Elite feels premium and extremely comfortable. The 9+2+1 bearings make every cast smooth and effortless. The auto-adjustment magnetic braking system adapts to spool speed automatically, reducing backlash and extending your casting distance. It's one of the easiest reels to dial in even for new anglers. KastKing's signature LFTV line guide reduces friction, creating smoother casts and helping with accuracy. Whether you fish freshwater or saltwater, it's an excellent tool for high-performance angling. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Lew's Classic Pro. The Lew's Classic Pro deserves a spot in this video thanks to its perfect balance of strength, smoothness, and reliability. With a one-piece graphite frame, aluminum spool, and a 95mm handle, it feels lightweight yet extremely strong. Inside, the brass speed gears and 5-bearing system deliver smooth and powerful performance. Every rotation feels deliberate and controlled, giving you confidence throughout the cast and retrieve. The 7.5:1 gear ratio retrieves 30 inches of line per turn, making it perfect for fast techniques. The adjustable magnetic control system gives you pinpoint casting accuracy, even in windy conditions. A zirconia line guide reduces friction, while the Rulon drag system delivers up to 15 pounds of consistent drag pressure. It handles bass and other game fish like a champ, making it one of the most versatile baitcasters on the market today. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best baitcasting reels you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.